Hi guys, so today we're going to be making a pink gin fizz. Now I'm not going to lie, this is the kind of thing that sounds a little naff to me, and definitely I think could be depending on the products you use. Like if you use a kind of overly sweetened and artificial pink gin and you know, really sweet lemonade and so on, I mean, if sweet is your thing then you might really enjoy it, but probably wouldn't really be to my palate. But what is quite nice is my very clever friend Trish Brew has just released this gin called Bellicose, and she worked at one of the really well-known, well actually managed one of the really well-known gin bars here in Melbourne called Gin Palace for a very long time, and has generally just been a bartender and around the industry for quite a while. And she basically was like, why are people not making really good pink gin? So this is essentially a really classic London dry flavor profile and just vapor infused with some fresh Tasmanian raspberries to add that little bit of kind of juiciness, little bit of red fruit that makes this a really awesome drink. It is 40 degrees here today, so I'm very much looking forward to drinking this. I know you might not relate in over in the US at the moment, but it is coming for you, so keep this in your back pocket for summer. So super easy, build in the glass, spritz style. So we're gonna go in with 45 mils of gin. I definitely have a little look around for some maybe smaller kind of craft producers near you that might be doing something fun that's similar to this. And then 45 mils of lemonade. Again, you want something kind of a little bit more artisanal and not too sweet. And then 60 mils of your sparkling wine of choice. I actually like this with a little pet nat, but we didn't have any open today, and waste not, want not, so we're going with our classic sparkling here. Now at this point, if you had any fresh raspberries or other berries, you could definitely pop it in as a little garnish. Drop some ice in there. And then I love a little savory herb garnish for spritzes. I think it's a really nice kind of counterpoint to your more sort of fruity and citrusy flavors that you tend to get. So I'm gonna go with a nice big sprig of thyme and pop that in alongside a straw. I'll tell you what, I feel like I need one of these today. So bright and fresh, kind of tastes, you know, more along the lines of like a gin and tonic than anything sweeter than that, which is something that I really love on a hot day, with just that little hint of fruitiness and kind of savory notes from the thyme. A super easy way to treat yourself on a hot day. Pink gin fizz. So now you know.